A very lovely morning to all my loving students. This is your art and craft class in which you learn to draw and color different picture. Student, in the last two videos we have used art and craft book. We have used our color and craft book for coloring. But today I have decided that we will not do the same book for today. We will do something different and we will draw something. First of all, write down date. As today is 3, so write 3/6/2020. As today you have learned letter F in your English class, so I have decided to draw something related to that letter. That is why we are going to learn flag, our national flag. Let's just begin it. What we will draw today? We will draw flag F L A G, flag. The materials that we require to draw a flag is any rough paper or rough copy, a pencil and a scale, and your crayon box. First of all, place your scale in the standing position in the center of the page like this, and then make a line. Make a standing line like this. Then after giving some space, make one more standing line. Join both the line from the bottom and the top as well, like this. Here you can make like this as well. Okay, and then you need to turn the pencil in the position of sleeping line. From the top, from this line we will make a sleeping line. Okay, place your pencil like this and make sleeping line. This is the sleeping line. With the same length, we will make 3 more sleeping lines. The total we have to make 4 sleeping lines. This is the second line that I am going to draw. Then the same space, make third line. And then the fourth line. Okay, see, the lines are not equal, so let's make them equal. Either erase the longer line or make the short line equal to the longer one. I am erasing. Now you can see all the 4 lines are equal. So place the scale and join all the 4 lines and make a standing line like this. See, now we'll make Ashok Chakra. Where is the place of Ashok Chakra? Exactly at the center there is a Ashok Chakra. So how you can make a Ashok Chakra? First of all, make a circle that should touches these 2 lines. Start from here, make like this. Okay, and make a point and make slanting line like this. This is how you can make Ashok Chakra. Okay, so flag is ready. Now we'll make the stairs here. Place your pencil like this and make a line. Then make one more line that should be longer. It should be longer from the first one. Now make third line. It should also be longer from the second one. And the last one, fourth line, it would not be longer. It would be the same as the third one. Then join the lines. Like this. Now you can see the whole flag is ready. The next step is to color the flag. So can you tell me what are the color of the flag? Actually, our national flag is a tricolor. It is called tricolor because there are three colors. First is saffron on the top, then white in the second one, and the third one the green. Saffron, white and green, and the Ashok Chakra is in blue color. So first of all, take your saffron color. In a color box you would have orange color, so take this. Color the first box with this saffron color. Remember one thing while coloring, that first of all make border and then fill color inside. Do not color outside the box. First one is done. Second is white. So as you can see, the page is already in white color, so need not to do white. So moving toward the third one, that should be in green color. So I am having this green color and now I'm gonna color it. If somebody asks you that how many colors are there in our national flag, so answer saffron, white and green. And at the middle there is an Ashok Chakra which is in blue color. So color the Ashok Chakra in blue color. There are 24 spokes in the Ashok Chakra. The flag is ready. Now we will color these sticks and stair with brown crayon. Just begin. Now the flag is completely ready. Isn't it looking good? So beautiful. So you can also make national flag at your home. So try it. Firstly draw, then color, send picture, click picture and send it to me. Meet you in the next video. Good day.